What's up, guys? It's me, Snack Lady, and today we're going to be doing Don't Press the Button 2. So, it's technically, I don't know, but we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button
2. And it's me, Hope and Grace.
Yeah.
We are with Snack Lady right now.
Their channel is about to come out, Hope and Grace.
Yes, it's about to come out. We're so excited.
And go subscribe to their channel also.
Yes. Subscribe to our channel. Let's go.
Oh, I made it. And we're also with Grace with us also.
Yes, that's Grace, BA320284.
And right here is Grace. Hope.
Hope.
So I really want to press the button. I think I did. We need to get up to
Hurry, your mommy's coming. I spawned at the top of self. Okay?
I'm lagging. I'm not going to make it.
I'm not either. Probably.
No, I'm not going to make it. Just kill me, mother. Disco party.
Don't you touch that.
Disco
party. Bob's way.
I'll sail across the sea.
Hello.
And I just died. Wow. Bombs away. I just died.
I'm on top of this dude's head. Hey, buddy.
We're in heaven.
Oh, if you look down, it's
heaven. I want that song. We're in heaven.
If you look down, it's scary.
Oh my gosh. What? That is scary. Boulders. Oh no, we're small.
I'm so small. Where are
I'm
you?
skinny. We're teensy tiny. This person's gonna step on us. And I don't like it. Okay, now we're... Oh my gosh, your hair again. Your hair.
Where are you?
What, Piggy? I didn't know there was Piggy. Ah.
Piggy, don't kill us. You look sweet.
I know, she looks like Granny. Okay, wait. Oh, the Target one. The statue won't
Let's
let
go
me
to
in.
Target, guys, and buy some toys. Yeah, and buy some
Oh,
toys.
the store Target. I didn't know what you said. Guys, just a quick reminder. Fortnite videos, so in the comment section below, and hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. So let's just continue. Wait, what?
Go down the rainbow slide into the
What?
rainbow trampoline.
No. I want to press the button, but you already...
Next time
Unicorn!
That's pooping rainbows!
I don't think... what? Oh no. Oh my gosh. How are you always supposed to come do that? Like, that's so hard.
Just like...
I know the YouTuber, Chica. This is Fortnite. You keep pressing it, Mackenzie. If you know Chico, the YouTuber that does Fortnite and everything, comment down below.
Where's the giant bomb? They're gonna blow up.
walking on it. Push!
Mackenzie, guess if my
Dang it. Green. Someone says blue.
How many minutes has it been? I went to this blue.
No.
This like 2 minutes.
Says red. Simon says blue.
Oh.
Simon says blue again. Simon says blue again. And I just died from the laser thing.
No, Blakely Joe. Joe. Wait, if you put Joe and Joe together, Jojo. Zero. Whatever that sounds really
It's turning.
I was so far away and I still got sucked up.
Okay. No, please don't die. Please don't die. We didn't even touch it. Hey, trampoline. One of my favorite hobbies sometimes. Bing.
Bong. Wing.
We set. Go. I'm not
I
gonna.
won first.
I didn't make it. Well, I made it, but I didn't win.
You made it.
But I just didn't.
What's
Oh no, what happened? We're huge. Don't step on the tiny children. If there is any. We're so huge.
Uh-oh,
Oh my
I accidentally
God.
stepped on 2 people.
Then we're all
Mackenzie,
tiny.
yeah.
That's what my story was about. And now I'm in jail with my friend. And then what happened? We're huge again. Don't step on the tiny
Wait, are
children.
we doing a video?
I'm gonna fall off the world.
Snack Lady, are we doing a video?
Yes, I've been doing a video. Because I don't wanna.
Lily's actually so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Yay, I made it to the end. I was first place. And I was 0th place. Lily. Oh, there you are. You scared me.
Wait, Brooklyn, did you call me pretty?
Yeah, Lily, I called you pretty.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you're pretty too.
I did, not
And
Mackenzie,
you
I
Hope.
did. Hope.
It's grenade. No bombs.
Snack her, Lily.
Okay, I'm
Or
paused it.
Snack Lady. Lily.
Oh no.
The bridge is falling apart.
No, I fell. Dang it.
I did too. Isn't giant.
Oh my gosh, everybody's head is giant
Maybe
except for
it's only
mine.
the boy.
Maybe. Well, guys, it's time to end this video. I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. By the way, Hope and Grace are coming out with their own video, and make sure you subscribe to their channel. Bye, guys.
Bye.